Hey my friend, my name is Monika and welcome to my porch. I'm just gonna give you a couple seconds to get ready and roll out your mat because you already clicked on this video, so I know you're gonna like it. Let's get to it. We're gonna be opening up our hips with a nice deep stretch with those yin poses. So get ready and let's get to it. So today we're gonna start off in a seated position. And you are going to just start with just doing a few spinal twists to the left and to the right, just waking up our spine, moving around. You can just move your hands around and then just pulsate to the back and then to the front, to the back and to the front. Just seeing where we feel more soreness and tightness in the body. Maybe it's by our hip, maybe it's, in our legs somewhere. Just give your legs a little bit of a squeeze. So that way we just give some more circulation into our feet. Maybe we've been sitting all day or standing all day. And then moving up to your shins and to your calves. Just really feeling where you need that more self-love. Okay. And then let's move into our first posture. It's going to be the frog. So you're going to take your hands and just put them underneath your calves and then just reach up and then slowly just start to sink into the ground. Now I know this class is a no props class, but if you did want to use a prop, you can just place the block just underneath you, so that way you can just press and rest your head onto the ground. And just diving into this pose, you should start to feel it opening in the back of your knees and your hips, and just allow the shoulders to just sink down. Make sure that you're bending through your low back, so you're not just rounding yourself from the upper back. You do want to maintain a nicer posture. But you do want to be able to just move your shoulders around and stay relaxed with the upper body. This is mainly for our lower body. And then as you exhale, try to see if you can go a little bit further down into the pose. So inhale, rise. Exhale, sink a little bit further. Inhale, rise. And exhale, sink a little bit further. So in yin yoga, we hold the poses for a little bit longer. So if you feel discomfort, feel free to just get out of the pose and then just get back right into it. But the little bit discomfort is totally okay. That's what helps us go deeper into our flexibility and open up our tight muscles. And then let's use our breath to send it into the areas of discomfort. So breathe in through the nose and send that energy into that area. I'm sending it into the back of my knees and the back of my quads. So envision like a white light just going into this area, cleansing it, soothing it, kind of like an icy hot patch. So you can feel your breath just really sending that love, sending the feelings of ease into this area. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. You're doing great. Just a few more seconds. Give me 5 more breaths. So send that white light into the area of discomfort for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. And slowly bring your hands out, and then bring yourself to a higher stance, and let's just sway the legs to the left and to the right. Good. How do you feel? Feel good? Feel more open? Whew. Okay, And then we're gonna continue on with opening up our hips. So let's bring the left leg in, and then place the right leg over. So just doing like a cross-seated. So this is gonna help more with our outer hips. And again, just relaxing the feet. You can give your feet a little bit love and tender. Some more massages. It's okay to spoil yourself. Just really breathing into here, and then we're gonna dive into the pose again. So using your breath, you can really start to feel the tightness in this area of the leg and then the outer hips. I'm really starting to feel it. So I'm gonna really be using my breath here just to help ground myself now. So grounding just means sending your body more to the earth, just sending yourself and surrendering. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. So as you breathe out, you can feel your shoulders just sink down. You can feel your body weight just move into the earth. And then as you settle, just start to walk your hands a little bit further to the front. A little bit further to the front. And when you feel that it's enough, that the pain is just a little bit too unbearable, move yourself a little bit back. And then just bring your chest, lifting the chest, and then lowering through the low back. So this may mean that you are putting your hands a little bit more to the side, so that way you can calm on down. Good. So staying here with your breath, and then as you exhale, try to see if you can just move your hands a little bit to the front. That's going to help you just sink a little bit further, and then open up those hips even more. Breathe in and out. In and out. Your hips are going to be very thankful. They might not be right now. They're probably screaming, but it's okay. I'm here with you. We can do this together. Breathe in and breathe out. So maybe you feel that you're clenching your buttocks a little bit. Try to relax your butt. Try to relax it and let it just sink into the earth. Feel it's being supported by the ground. When we clench our muscles, it's really hard for them to relax. And in yin yoga, we have to learn to relax in the pose, find the stillness, find the breath, and become present. And a way to find stillness is to listen to your surroundings. So right now there's a really pleasant bird that's singing or talking, communicating. So I'm listening to that sound as I'm trying to relax in the pose. So as I'm tuning into that sound, I can feel myself not being so focused on, really holding on to myself. I'm being able to let go. There's also a breeze, so the breeze is also helping me become more aware that I should just be free like the wind. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Good. So 5 more breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. 5. In through the nose and out through the mouth. 4. Inhale and exhale. 3. Inhale and exhale. 2. Can you smile for me? Inhale and exhale. Very good. Last one. And then slowly come on up. Slowly unravel yourself. And again, let's move the hips side to side. Now we're going to do the opposite side. So let's bring the right leg in and then bring the left leg over. And again, let's start with the feet. So just relaxing the feet here. Our legs are already hugging ourselves. They're already super thankful that we're going to hit this side. So just relaxing the feet here, relaxing the buttock, relaxing the hips. Maybe you just want to put the palm, whatever this is called, into the hips. So just massaging yourself. Maybe you can even use your thumbs to massage a little bit deeper. Feel into that soreness, to that tightness. You can massage also your hamstrings and your calves. Just really getting ready to get into lengthening into the pose and holding it for a while. So again, find the breath, find your stillness, close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a breath and then lift the chest up, smile, and let's come on down. So slowly lowering yourself. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Maybe you can notice that you can go a little bit further on this side than the previous one. You can see which side is more tight and which is more flexible. Breathe in and breathe out. And again, just listen to your surroundings. What do you hear? Are you playing any music? Maybe you need to turn on some music to help you just surrender into the pose. Surrender, surrender, surrender. Relax your ears, relax your jaw. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Good. Inhale and exhale. If you feel super flexible, you can place your hands to the front and then see if you can, sink even further by placing your forearms to the ground. I can't go that far, but I am trying. So as you inhale, just lift the chest and see if you can go a little bit lower. Inhale and exhale. You don't want to overstrain yourself either. So if you feel that numbness is getting a little bit too intense, just get out of the pose. Just come on up, sit up, breathe, and then come on back to it. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then try to see how your mental talk is right now. What are you thinking about anything? And if you really are thinking about something, that maybe that the pain is a little bit too unbearable, again, just use that breath. Use the white light from the breath. Envision that white light soothing the areas of tightness. So inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, just sink that white light of energy into you. Inhale and exhale. Just play with your hands, see where they feel comfortable. Asking the earth for support, asking the earth for its energy to relax the body, to surrender to the elements. We are kind of like becoming one with the earth right now, with the ground, allowing our body to just fold down, to sink down. Bowing our heads to the earth, bowing our head and thanking the earth for supporting us right now. Inhale. Let's do 5 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. 5. Inhale and exhale. 4. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale and exhale. 1. Good. Slowly come on out. Whew. You need to help assist your ankles, and again, let's just move them side to side. And now let's just go into a child's pose, just thanking our legs. And this time you're just going to do a child's pose with your knees together, just resting on your stomach, just allowing the breath to sink the body down. If you'd like to continue with deepening your hips, you can go into a wider stance, child's pose. So just placing your knees to the outside of the mat. For this one is really nice to just rest your stomach on your knees and allow the stomach to just collapse, to just come down. Feeling the support from our knees, feeling that we're here in this body, in the present moment. Bring awareness to your fingertips, bring them a little bit further to the mat. Just stretching out the spine, stretching out the low back. Inhale and exhale. This is going to be our final pose. Let's just reflect on your journey, how we started with very tight hips. We went through some discomfort. And now we're here. We're okay. We feel more open. We're ready to take on the day. We're ready to restart and live in the present moment. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's take 5 more breaths. In through the nose and out through the nose. Each time you exhale, just sink a little bit further to the ground. In through the nose and out through the mouth. 4. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 3. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 2. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 1. And you can stay here as long as you need to. You're slowly coming up to a seated position. And thank you for practicing with me. And thank your hips. They are super grateful right now. And I hope that you have enjoyed this class. So please share this with at least one person. And be sure to like and subscribe and watch some more videos. Until we meet again.